Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is recycled graph. Recycled graph refers to creating new object or art pieces by repurposing materials that would otherwise be discarded or thrown away. These materials can include items like plastic bottles, cardboard boxes, old newspapers, magazine, or other items that would typically end up in the trash or recycling bin. Recycling these items into some new can be an eco-friendly way to reduce waste and create something beautiful and unique. Here are ideas for recycled craft object. Number 1 is magazine collage art. Use old magazine to create colorful and texture collage on canvas or paper. Cut out interesting image and shape and glue them together to create a unique piece of art. Upcycled jewelry. Repurposed old bottle cups or other small items to create beautiful and unique jewelry. Use wire, beads, or string to connect the piece together and create a new one of the kind accessory. Dye planters. Turn empty tin can, plastic bottles, and old pots into unique planters for your home or garden. Print them, add decoration or pattern, and fill them with soil and plants. Creative storage solution. Use old shoe boxes, cereal boxes, or other containers to create stylish and functional storage solution for your home. Cover them in a decorative paper or fabric. Add labels and use them to organize your desk or closet. Recycled paper crafts. Turn old newspaper or magazine into beautiful paper craft like origami, paper flowers, or paper lanterns. Cut the paper into different shapes and sizes, fold and glue them together to create a unique and interesting